show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want.
Alright, y'all. So today is, as I mentioned, this is a crochet installation. I've kind of already gotten started. I am trying a new technique. I am using loose hair. Let me show you the hair I'm going to be using. This is FreeTress Braid in the style 3X Mazo curl in 18 inches. So that's what that looks like. And I have 3 of these packs, and each pack has 3 bundles in it. I have it in the color T30. So hopefully this is enough hair and I don't have no issues. So I already have my perimeter braid. I like one braid going all the way around so that I can do the invisible method on this bottom braid, and so that I can pull the hair up and it still looks pretty good and you don't see, like, you know, all the little gaps and holes and stuff. So that's always my preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep the rest of the hair. The back, I'm gonna split it in half. I may do a beehive, or I may just braid it straight back. I'm not sure yet. The rest of this video is going to be pretty much a voiceover, maybe until I get to the end. So let's go ahead and get into this install. All right, y'all, so I am starting this on freshly washed and stretched natural hair. I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair in half from front to back. I'm going to work on the front section first, so I'm going to go ahead and pin the back section out of the way. I mean, I'm just pinning this down for now, but I'm going to go ahead and twist up the back section so that it does not interfere with what I'm doing in the front. So now I'm just going to add some cornrows in the front of my hair. I was using this new technique with braiding the crochet hair into the cornrow at the beginning, but that didn't work so well. And that's what you see here. I realized it wasn't working so well, so I just stopped. And now I'm going to go ahead and start doing a semi beehive in the back portion of my hair. And I tend to prefer, it's not really a whole beehive, but this similarity of a beehive, because it makes the hair a lot less bulky in the back when I braid it this way versus braiding straight back. And as you see, I'm just kind of adding in some of the ends of the front braids into that beehive that's going in the back, just so that there are no loose ends hanging out anywhere.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have.
So this is pretty much what it looks like in the back after I did a semi-beehive. It's very hard to do a beehive on your own head, so that's why I call it a semi-beehive. And now I'm just taking the tail of that one braid that's left out, and I'm crocheting it within other braids so that it's not hanging out anywhere.
When I swim down to the deep end.
So anytime I do a crochet style, or protective style for that matter, I like to lather my hair up with some good oil. So that's what I'm doing here. And this was just some leftover oil that I had from when I did my hot oil treatment. I had just kind of put the leftover oil in this bottle, so it's just variations of different oils in here. And I just like to make sure I am completely lathered with oil. So now I'm going ahead and starting this crochet process. And like I mentioned before, for that perimeter braid, I do like to do the invisible knot method all around that perimeter braid. And so that's what I'm doing here, so that when I pull it up, it doesn't look like a bunch of knots going across the back or the bottom.
It is hard to resist cause I need you. And it's hard to be here cause I believe you. Hold me tight, holding on tonight.
So once I was done crocheting across that perimeter braid, this is pretty much what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when I pull it up into a ponytail, or just up, period. So it doesn't look like a bunch of knots. It looks nice and neat. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish this middle section. And after doing that, this is pretty much what it looks like. I especially love the fact that it doesn't look super bulky at all. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue on with the front portion of this crochet style. And here we are, lots of hair, as you can see. So now I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the hair near the braid where I did the invisible method so that it looks as natural as possible. So, you know, I'm a huge fan of layers, so that's pretty much what I am about to do now. Start adding some layers and cutting this hair to shape my face. And I'm starting off with these two front sections here in the front and just kind of cut diagonally down right in the front. I think I made it a little too long the first time, so I did it again and got it a little shorter. And then that was kind of the start of me continuing on with layering the rest of this hair. It was like my starting point. So now that I got that layered, I can kind of see where the hair should fall. And now I'm going to go ahead and start gathering hair on the sides and continuing on in that layer method or layer process.
Show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it. I done this before.
All right, y'all. So you just watched the whole process of me crocheting this hair, cutting it up and styling it and everything. This is pretty much the finished look, but I have a little confession. I was in a hurry when I first recorded this video, trying to get to my vacation. You know, I went to Vegas and came back already. And I was like, oh my God, I don't think I recorded an ending to this video so that you can see this hair. So here it is. Yes, it's a whole week later, but that's okay. That's neither here nor there. She still looks good. She still looks nice. And this is how I've been rocking her for a whole week. I didn't really wear it down like this because it was just way too hot in Vegas. Like, Vegas got a whole other level of disrespectful heat than I've ever experienced. So it was up in a bun or in like a half up, half down type of situation for the most part. But I did want to come back on camera and let you see how it looks, you know, hanging and flowing, and, you know, it's still a cute, super cute style. And with the crocheting method, you know, I did try something new, trying to use that like braiding the hair into my cornrows. Complete waste of time. I do not recommend it. It did nothing for me. So I'll never try that again. Like, it didn't give the illusion I was looking for. It still looks like I have crochet hair, in my opinion, which is okay. I don't mind that. But I was trying to at least make it look like it wasn't. Another truth serum. I had to come on to record this video because I don't keep hair in my head very long. Like I said, it's only been a week, but it's coming out. Either tonight or tomorrow. 1 week later, I do not keep crochet in my head very long. I have commitment. I have hair commitment issues. Like, I just can't have the same hair for a long period of time. And I'm probably going to leave it in tonight because I'm going to work out in the morning. So this way I can just throw it up in a ponytail. I ain't got to worry about my hair looking crazy in cornrows and trying to find a wig or something to throw on. I can just throw this in a ponytail, go work out, come back home, and take this joint out. So I feel like since it's been in a week, I can kind of give some tips on the quality of the hair. Super cute, very easy to manage. It does get quite tangly though. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I have to go in every day and just kind of, you know, separate it. I might even have to add some mousse. So it's kind of like, it requires a little maintenance. Unless you just have it pinned up like I did, where it doesn't really matter. But if you're leaving it out like this, you're definitely going to have to do some kind of maintenance to it while it's in your head, for sure. But overall, I really do love these curls. This, what was it? Mazo curl? Super cute style. I may actually try it again. Then again, maybe not, because I like to try a bunch of different ones. So I'll probably try a different curl next time, just because I just like to rotate and try different stuff. I don't really like to repeat what I've already used, unless I just have a lot of it left. And right now I have like one whole pack of it left. So maybe with that, I might buy like one more pack and try it again. But I bought 3 packs. It only took 2. Each pack was $9.99 from my local beauty supply store. $20 hairstyle. Super easy to do yourself if you don't mind cornrowing your own hair and actually crocheting the hair in. And if you can't cornrow, just get somebody to cornrow your hair straight back. It's real easy to do. Real easy. I think this is super convenient when you don't want to do your hair. And like I say, crochet hair is my go-to when I go on vacation, because I don't want to have to deal with putting on and taking off a wig every single day. So I hardly ever wear wigs when I'm on vacation. 9 times out of 10, it's either crochet hair or like some type of crochet braids. And I travel a lot. I mean, a whole lot. And yeah, I think I'm going to be traveling I'm going somewhere every month for probably the rest of the year. And it started in June. June was my first like trip, and that was my destination vow renewal. So that's really all, you guys. I just want to come back and let you see how this hair has performed, and give you, you know, a final look and everything. Even though it's a whole week later, I apologize for that. The chick was rushing. I was rushing. Let me know what you guys think about this crochet style. You know, I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments below. So let's chat about it. Let me know. I thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it as always. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video.
How you